Ever wonder why water treatment and hygiene are critical during a hiking adventure? It's because the wild outdoors presents a myriad of unseen threats, including waterborne illnesses that can turn a thrilling adventure into a health nightmare. To understand this better, a survey among hikers, especially those trekking the Continental Divide Trail, provides intriguing insights. It revealed that a meager 8.4% fell ill due to improper water treatment practices, while an overwhelming 91.6% never experienced any illness. When we delve into water treatment habits, we find that 67.8% of hikers always treated their water. 23.4% usually treated their water, while 8.4% only sometimes treated their water. Interestingly, a small fraction of 0.5% confessed to never treating their water. Now, you might be surprised to learn that among those who always treated their water, only 5.1% fell ill. However, hikers who only usually treated their water saw a spike in illness rates, with 19.1% reporting sickness. Similarly, the rate of illness for those who sometimes treated their water stood at 20%. Intriguingly, those who never treated their water reported no instances of illness. So, what can you do to prevent waterborne illnesses during your hiking adventures? First, invest in a reliable water filtration system that effectively removes bacteria, parasites, and protozoa. Second, as a backup, consider boiling water to kill harmful pathogens. Third, always choose your water sources wisely, opting for clear, flowing water over stagnant or visibly contaminated sources. Additionally, practicing good hygiene goes a long way in maintaining health. Always wash your hands thoroughly before handling food or consuming water, and carry hand sanitizer for times when water is scarce. Staying informed about local water conditions and carrying an emergency water treatment solution, like water purification tablets or drops, can also be a lifesaver. While the allure of being a badass thru-hiker might be tempting, the survey results underscore the importance of responsible water treatment practices. There's a notable correlation between illness rates and the frequency of water treatment. Remember, staying healthy is the true mark of an intrepid hiker. In conclusion, a proactive approach to water treatment, coupled with good hygiene practices, significantly reduces the risk of waterborne illnesses. So the next time you gear up for a thrilling hiking adventure, remember to prioritize your health and safety.